Is it a Victorian butt plug? I just don't know. I am sorry about the amount of shorts that keep popping up. It is a YouTube thing. It's what they want us to do. Just ignore the shorts if you don't like it. So these are available in my shop just for $97 each. That doesn't include postage. All right. So, a couple of things coming today. This Barco record vise. I was told by a good source that Barco don't make vices. Barco. Now, the diet, I'm going to crack on with that. I've been slow and lazy, and I honestly think my lack of motivation to come to the workshop to do stuff has been my weight. So we will get on with the diet as quick as possible, and I will tell you all about the diet as soon as I can get all that in a bundle and get it out to you. But we will be losing weight shortly. Look at the size of this. This is a hell of a thing, isn't it? That's I mean, I want the exact name of this bugger, I tell you. That measures in, out, that goes that way. I mean, that's a nice piece, isn't it? Anyone know exactly the name of that, what it's called, what it's for? Because again, I'm out of my depth. Brown and Sharp Manufacturing Co. What's it? Oh, look at this. Wow. You wouldn't believe the... Then you've got that bit there. So you got that to wind in quite fast, and then that for more accuracy. That is incredible. That is nice. And then, don't know what they are. That's a proper engineering thing, isn't it? And that's got a Brown and Sharp. Does this say USA? It does indeed. Providence, USA. Brown and Sharp Manufacturing, established. Right, now this. So we're going to have this. It says external micrometer, but I don't think is what anybody know, because me, no idea. Be nice to know, so that I can get the listing right on eBay. Then we've got this hooky thing, LG. Don't know. Hole sizer, I suppose. Is that a hole sizer? Drill sizer? And then we've got this. Well, this one's got a name on it. This one is called ART Anderson. What's that, people? What's that? Don't know. I'm learning as much as you're learning. Lovely little hammer. Engineer-made hammer. Yep, engineer-made hammer. Look at that. Oh, that's a bit messy, isn't it? A bit messy there. I couldn't make it, but a bit messy. Well, I do believe I will have to clean this bugger up. And finally, in this box here is a pointy thing. I don't know what that is. I can't bullshit you. That's going to go that way, isn't it? And that's going to go that way. And then, I don't know, what would you do? What would you do? I don't fucking know. Very accurate though, again, isn't it? It's all very accurate on this table. I think that's leather around that, but again, and wood on the end. I mean, I have never seen anything like that. Is it a Victorian butt plug? I just don't know. Now, this is the next box we're going to go through. As you can see, it cost £18. Few things missing when I empty this out because I've already sold them. One of the first things to go is this lovely hand plane by ECE. Quickly followed by these two 4.5 pound axe heads. And this set of letter stamps I actually remove myself for safety so I don't drop them all over the floor. Right, let's get on to what's left in the box, shall we? And don't forget, if you're enjoying the show, there is a button to show that. Meat temperature gauges don't work, so they're going to go straight in the bundle for the car boot sale, I think. I've got a nice record 4-inch. Oh, and that's nice and free as well. Look at that. Might do something with that. We've got 3 sharpening stones. I'm going to add them to my other 50. You never have enough sharpening stones, can you? Got a funny old clamp here. That looks like a valve clamp. Valve clamp, anyone? Would that be a valve setting lifting clamp? I think so. That's got to be nearly fucking worthless. So, but it's very heavy. I might put it on eBay, see what happens. Little worthless clamp. There are them sheep shearing shears. I mean, what are they for? Are they really for shearing sheep? Okay. But I think they're going to the car boot sale. Oh, a little strange little gouge. Little gouge, little profile on that. That's is it a footprint? Again, it's got a name on. And I believe this is a bone saw. Again, I could be wrong. I very often am. According to my wife, I'm very often wrong. Look at that. Look. A Spiralux hand rivet gun. Like new. And it's got the instructions in there. If I had some rivets, I'd give that a test, but I haven't. This was the box that the compass was in the other day, the £160 compass. So this is a lovely Chesterman that's in very good condition. That will make eBay, we do believe, Chesterman. And here's a Rabone Chesterman. So this one's later. It's got the name Ken on the back. Thanks, Ken, for ruining that. Is your name on there as well? No. Probably get a tenner for them on eBay. And this box cost... What have we got here? Leather, skins and tools for artistic work. I'll learn nothing today from me. I'll learn more from you. There's one of these giant pair of dividers that Scoutcrafter was on about the other day. Always need a giant pair of dividers, don't you? And got a little inlaid. There's a name on there. I wish my eyes were working. This come out of this box as well. It's got 1866 on JHA. And well, that's what you get when you buy a box of things like this, isn't it? You just don't know. These are quite nice, aren't they? These are thingy plum bobs. So I quite have to hang on to that. Got a little box in here. Not doing too well from this box, although I did get that big compass out, didn't I? Got a vicious looking comb there. It's also got a name on it. We've got these, don't know what these are. They're triangular rulers. Totally beyond me, I'm sorry. Totally and utterly out of my depth on this one. And my normal depth is only puddle deep. Yeah. And of course, one of the biggest things left in the box is the 33 bit and brace bits. Okay, people, thanks for watching. And just remember, the next show's got to be better than this one, surely.